Friday, August the 31st, fourth period, Algebra 3. No warm-up quiz today. We are going to go straight to the homework check, the homework answers. Yeah. Bring up 4 through 6. Seven, 8, and 9. 10 through 12. 13 through 15. 'Any questions about the homework problems? Papers to pass out. Today the objective is the following: to multiply matrices. The specific learning target is multiplying 3 by 3 matrices. Example problem number 1. A 3 by 3 matrix such as 3, 0, 1, 2, negative 3, 4, 8, 5, and 2 multiplied against 3, 1, negative 2, 0, 7, 0, negative 1, 5, and 6. Same concept as the 2 by 2. You'll have to start here and go there. Multiply those two together. 3 times 3 plus 0 times 0 plus 1 times negative 1. And arrive at an answer of 9 plus 0 plus a negative 1, which will be 8. And you would put that in row 1, column 1, here. And do the same thing for the other columns all the way through. So I'll do it your way. I'll look at it and get an answer. We'll have 3, 0, and 5. That would be another 8. And then negative 6, 0, and 6, which would be a 0 when you multiply those out. Then we're going to go here and start all over again, going down the columns. That would be 6, 0, and negative 4. So that's a 2. And then for the second column in the second matrix, you'll have 2, negative 21, which is negative 19, plus 20, and that's a 1. Then for the last column, you'll have negative 4, 0, and 24. That will give you a 20. And as a quick review, these are coming from doing the following. Like the last thing we did to get the 20 was this row and this column. We multiplied this 2 by this negative 2 to come up with a negative 4. Negative 3 times 0 is 0. And then 4 times 6 is 24. 24 plus a negative 4 is 20. We'll finish off the rest of this. We're going here and then back to the first row, second row, or column, and the third column. So it's 24, 0, and negative 2. That's a 22. And then 8, 35 is 43, plus 10 is 53. And negative 4, 0. Whoops, that's not right. That should be negative 16, 0, and 12, which would be a negative 4. Final answer. Any questions on that? The practice problem is this. 5, negative 1, negative 2, 0, 3, negative 5, 4, 2, and negative 2 for the first matrix, and the second one is negative 6, negative 3, 2, 1, 4, negative 2, 5, 6, and 3. Solution for the practice problem. From here to here, we're really going to do this, and then all across the 3 columns, that would be negative 30, negative 1, that's negative 31, negative 10 is negative 41. And then for the second column, negative 15 and negative 4 is negative 19, plus a negative 12 is a negative 31. And then for the third column, we'll have 10, 12, 6 is the answer. There's the first row. How many are still alive after the first row? Okay, so it's not looking bad. Second row, we'll have 0, 3, and negative 25, so that's a negative 22. And then to the second column, 0, 12, and negative 30, which would be a negative 18. And then for the third column, 0, negative 6, negative 15, that's negative 21. Who's still alive? It's dwindling a little bit. Here we go. Third row, third column, 8, and negative 4 is 4. 4 plus a negative 6 is going to be negative 2. Oh, I'm seeing a bunch of different answers up there. I'll go through it again. 4 and 2 is 8. 8 plus a negative 4 is 4. And then 4 plus a negative 6 is negative 2. I'm looking for a negative 2 around here. Did anybody have negative 2 in that spot? Mitchell, did you have a negative 2?
I think you multiplied that the wrong one.
Oh, did I have the wrong column?
Yeah.
Oh, well, that's for the blooper reel then. I have to be on the first column then, don't I? Okay, so we'll go back and wipe that out. And, yeah. Okay, we'll go back to green now. No wonder everybody had the wrong answer. I need to be on this one and this column there. That's my fault. Negative 24 and 2 is negative 22, plus a negative 10 is negative 32. And then to the second column, we have negative 12 and 8. That's a negative 4. Negative 4 plus negative 12 is negative 16. How many are still alive up to the last cell? Okay. So on the last column there, we'll have 8 minus 4 is 4, and then plus a negative 6. That one is the negative 2. There we go. Bonus problem. Bonus problem number 2. Bonus problem number 3. Answer is 64. Homework assignment is up next.